Welcome to Breezy. Let's take a look at Scorecards, a simple way to collect input from your hiring team. Breezy Scorecards give your hiring team a consistent set of criteria to evaluate candidates with, using a simple thumbs up, thumbs down rating scale. Breezy's basic scorecard is included on all positions by default. It gives hiring teams a way to provide an overall rating of each candidate, along with some written feedback. But if you want to get more specific input from your team, you can set up custom scorecards and choose one for every position. You'll need admin permissions to create and edit scorecards, or a custom company role that includes the permission. All hiring team members can complete scorecards, and hiring managers can see all the team scorecards for positions they're assigned to. To get started, click the gear icon in the left sidebar, hover over Recruiting Preferences, and click Team Scorecards. To create a new scorecard from scratch, click the Add Scorecard button at the bottom of the list. If there's already a scorecard you'd like to use as a starting point, click the copy icon next to its name. Then click the Edit icon to customize the new version. Give your scorecard a name and click Add Item to create each item you'd like to include. You can create multiple sections if you'd like to group items by category or type, and you can change the order of sections by clicking and dragging the Reorder icon. You also have the option to let team members include a written response for each item, in addition to a thumbs up, thumbs down rating scale. Just click the comment icon if you'd like to include the text option. When you're finished, click Save Changes and your scorecard is ready to be added to a position. You can create as many scorecards as you need to collect the right input for every single position. To assign a custom scorecard to a position, just select it when you create the job, or add it later in the position settings. To do that, open the position settings from your dashboard, or open the correct position from the positions list and click the gear icon in the top right corner of the window. Click Screening in the left sidebar and choose the scorecard from the Available Scorecards dropdown. If the scorecard you need doesn't already exist, and you have the right permissions to create them, you can click Add Scorecard and create it right here. Click Save Changes and the scorecard you chose will be available for every candidate who applies for the position. Breezy scorecards are designed to be completed during or soon after an interview, right when your team has the candidate top of mind. If you're using Breezy's video interviewing, hiring team members can access the scorecard on screen during the meeting. Otherwise, you can find it anytime on the candidate's profile. Just open the profile and click the Scorecard tab near the right side of the window. Every scorecard includes the default options for written feedback and an overall score at the top of the scorecard. The overall score is used to calculate the candidate score, which you'll see near a candidate's profile photo. It's the average of all the overall scores added by the hiring team, based on a scale of 1 to 10. Anyone on the hiring team can add a rating for each scorecard item, plus written feedback where indicated. Just complete each item and click Save Scorecard at the top when you're done. Hiring team members can see their own scorecard feedback on the candidate's profile at any time. Hiring managers can see feedback from the entire team as well on the Team Scorecards tab of a candidate's profile. To find it, click the More menu on the left side of the profile window, then Team Scorecards. Remember the candidate score? The team scorecard shows the candidate's score with the overall rating from each team member that was used to come up with that average. You'll also see rating details for each scorecard item, plus added comments wherever you see Show Feedback. If you need to round up scorecard feedback from your hiring team, there are a couple of ways to remind them, right in Breezy. To ask for input on a specific candidate, hiring managers can just open the candidate's profile, go to the Team Scorecards tab, and click Request Scorecards. Breezy will send a reminder to hiring team members who haven't added feedback yet. To request feedback automatically, an admin or hiring manager can add the team feedback stage action to a company or position level pipeline. When a candidate reaches the right stage, a notification will be sent to everyone on the hiring team. Bonus tip. Interview guides give your hiring team a list of questions and topics to cover in interviews to make sure each candidate is asked the same questions no matter who they meet with. To really streamline your interview and feedback process, create a scorecard based on an interview guide so your hiring team can add feedback that relates directly to questions asked during the interview. Learn more at help.breezy.hr.